you guys can see, I have some envelopes here. Does anyone know what is in here? Are you guys eager to know what is in here? I know it's hot, but it's gonna get hotter because someone is gonna be winning and walking away with some amazing prizes. Okay, so who wants to win some awesome prizes?
Me!
Just like you. Okay, I'm just gonna let you guys know what the price is. How about that? Maybe then you're gonna be interested. How does a 2-night, okay, how does 2-night stay in Atlantis Royale sound as a prize? Who wants to win that? Alright, okay. So this is what's gonna happen, okay? I have a couple of questions that I am going to ask one person. Each person is going to have the chance to answer the question. If you get the answer correctly, you win. How simple is that, yeah? Come on.
Yeah.
I'm going to pick someone. By the way, even if you're at the end, I can see your hands. If you have beautiful hands, I'll see them, okay? Alright, round of applause, please. What's your name?
Fawaz.
Fawaz. Fawaz, are you from a broker? What's the name of the broker?
House of Edges.
Round of applause. Anybody? The first question for Waz. Are you ready? Right. What award was Imtiaz Development nominated for by youth? And don't give up the answers. He needs to answer if he wants to win. Do you know it? Two guesses? No, two guesses because I'm nice, okay? It's fair enough to give him 2 guesses, right? If you don't get them correct, someone else is going to have a chance to win, yeah? May I have your name, please? Yasmina, what broker are you from?
Deja Vu Properties.
Deja Vu Properties. Anybody else from there? Round of applause. Round of applause for Deja Vu Properties. Alright, just going to repeat the question, Yasmina. Did you get the question? You know the answer? Alright, then I don't have to repeat the question. Oh, she studied the history. Well done. Alright, what's the answer?
Rising Star Development of the Year.
Is it right? That is right, and congratulations, Yasmina. Round of applause for Yasmina. Alright, I'm going to pick someone from the back now, okay? Guys, at the back, put your hands up so I can see your pretty hands or your beautiful hands. Okay, there's a guy there, come on. Yeah, you. And then I'm going to look at someone from this side, yes. Hi, how are you?
Very good.
What's your name?
My name is Perry.
Perry, are you from a broker?
Yes, sir. LVG Real Estate.
LVG Real Estate, round of applause for them. Oh wow, let's come to the second question. Are you sweating already? Alright, let's see if you know the answer to this one. In the year 2023, which project did Imtiaz hand over? You have one more answer. If you want to win, do it. I want. Alright, so he doesn't know. Everybody goes, no, you cannot come back. Oh, you make a way here. Okay. Do you know the answer? What's the answer? Where's food? Let's go. Congratulations. Round of applause for everything and everything. Right now we're going to be moving on. I want this.
Better leave.
You took a while. Round of applause for him. All right, we have one more voucher to give away. One more voucher to give away. Your name, please.
Omar Shaheen.
Omar, from where?
Nice capital.
Wow, okay, round of applause for X Capital. Do you know the answer? You don't have to ask again. Or let's see if you have the answer right.
How they work?
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Artem. I'm from Brodnikinski.
Round of applause. How many series does Pearl House have? If you don't know, I'm calling it in blue. You have only 2 answers.
3.
Is 3 the right answer?
Yes. Yes.
3 is the right answer. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I wish I could have more vouchers to make you all win. My time is up. I don't have any more vouchers, but please enjoy the